Oops, smells so bad.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio, and we're back with another video.
The moment you've all been waiting for. Many of you have been requesting this video and finally we're doing it. We are recreating the Mayward photo shoot from Mega.
Challenge. Let the challenge begin.
It's actually, we can make it a challenge.
Yes.
Mayward Mega photo shoot challenge. So we're gonna be recreating the photos like I said, but the challenge is we don't have the gowns, obviously. We don't have any gowns.
Well, kind of.
Kind of, maybe. So we're gonna recreate the outfits as close as possible using our own clothes, blankets, curtains, props, and we're gonna recreate the poses as close as possible. And we're not stepping out from this apartment, so all the locations and the backdrops are gonna be happening in the apartment. I'm excited and I'm also scared.
Me too. I'm a bit nervous. I feel like adrenaline.
You guys be nice down in the comments, okay? Cause this is not an easy challenge.
Please be nice.
Thank you for all the support and please subscribe. Subscribe to this channel.
Please do.
Subscribe. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Wow.
Let me roll back in. Sorry, we didn't pick the picture. Okay, so first picture that we're gonna recreate.
Okay, am I gonna know?
This one.
Oh.
Should we do this one? Edward Barber has contour. So this is the first picture that we're gonna recreate. It's gonna be my mind.
You'll be.
Okay, I'll be my mind for the first one.
Oh wow, that's tough. Okay, I think I know what we can pull.
So we're gonna pull the outfits and we'll be right back. Okay guys, it took us forever to look for the outfits. Okay, so don't ask why we have these. First off, my mind's wearing a blue gown. Don't ask why I have a blue gown.
Actually, she's wearing a lavender one, but he's colorblind.
Whatever, it's blue. So I happen to have this blue gown that I got from the vintage store. We actually didn't shop for anything for this video, for any of the photos,
no,
right?
It's all from the closet.
Yeah, so if you're asking why, I'm a photographer and I do some fashion shoots sometimes. And as you can see in the photo as well, Mai has a shawl and I'm just gonna use this blue fabric as well. Again, this is for the photo shoot. I use this for backdrops. Fabio, take it away.
I'm wearing this turtleneck. It's black, I know he's wearing green. And then I'm gonna wear this jacket on top, which is very similar to the one that he has.
It's very similar.
But in a different color.
Yeah, and the pose is very easy. Okay, so we're also gonna show you in the camera. His hair is like, bang.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it down then.
I'm just gonna wear leggings already.
God, yeah, no, they're not the same thing.
Way.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so don't judge with our fat rolls. From the bottom or from the top?
From the top, you'll never get in.
Wait, what? Oh, it smells bad. Oh my gosh! Anything for YouTube.
Oh my goodness. You are something else. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my god, you look like Edward Barber for real.
So this is off shoulder.
Fold it more, maybe. What are we doing? You look so cute.
Stop touching me. Do like this.
Oh. Hey guys, this is the close-up shot.
No, it's. Don't you see? It's here.
This one is here. Did we get it? Did we get it?
Stop changing pose. She's taking her face on his.
It's a video. I can't stop laughing. This is so stupid.
We got it.
We got it.
I think we got it.
One more. We got it. Okay.
Great.
First photo done. So simple. Next photo.
My hair is great.
Can we recreate this?
This I think we can.
Okay guys, so next photo is, this is gonna be our next. I look so ugly.
You do.
Well, I don't know what my dad's gonna say. I look like a Filipino maid. Okay guys, so this is our next photo we're gonna recreate because it's all simple, it's all black, so we should be able to do it. We'll be right back. So after 5 minutes, we found our outfits. I'm gonna be Mai. We decided I'm gonna be Mai for the whole video. Mai's wearing all black. She has a long straight hair. I don't have a black wig. So what I'm doing is I'm using my natural hair as a bang, this as my wig.
And for myself, I'm gonna wear this Greek shirt that I got for Yani in Mykonos. On top, I'm wearing this pico.
I look like the nun.
So to recreate the lines that he has, I'm gonna close this off a little bit more. I think I put my hand in the wrong.
You did.
Okay, so his hair is kind of down. I have to do the opposite. I don't understand this opposite situation. So let's see.
Can you help me with my wig? I don't know how to do hair.
There we go.
This is fun. This is fun.
Kind of like this.
But it keeps on falling. How do I do?
You need to double it up.
This is what I used to do when I was a kid. A gay kid.
How about the white?
This video is so tiring.
I think I look very similar.
Very similar.
Look.
So in the picture, she has this white fur. We don't have a fur, so we're just gonna use the white dress. This is what I did when I was a gay kid.
Yeah,
In the Philippines. Done.
you look like a nun.
I look like the nun for real. Grab a chair because he's sitting down. Or do you want to
I
just
can
squat?
squat. So like kind of like this, right?
Yeah. Left hand.
My God, you're so frantic behind me. You have no idea.
Wait, sorry. Squat more. Backwards. Like you have to literally go down. Doing this in 5 seconds. There, we're doing it. Are we doing it? Did we get it? Did we take it? Oh. Cute!
I think this was better than the previous one.
You think so?
Yeah. All right. So our next picture is going to be an awesome recreation. I'm sure it will turn out great.
It's not gonna turn out great because look at the skirt. We don't have those skirt, but
Absolutely not.
we're just gonna. And we also don't have the pink gown. We have the white gown that we used earlier, but we're gonna do this.
Oh, we have a purple one.
Again, I'm gonna be my
And I'll be James.
James. No, wrong person.
Oh.
Edward.
Edward.
Okay guys, so here are the things that I'm gonna be wearing. So I got the main dress here, which is white. I ain't got nothing else. I don't have the pink one. And for my shawl, because it looks like she has something on her arms, I'm gonna be using this fabric. I'm just gonna wrap it around and some extra layer for skirts. These are all for my photo shoot. Don't ask why I have these. Now Fabio's getting leaves from the tomato that we just had at grocery shop. Fabio, can you help me with this dress? It's so confusing, right? Oh, there's a long sleeve. It's so
You just
tight.
be like that.
Like just like this, because she had an off shoulder anyway in the photo. Where's the photo? Okay.
Since I don't have those leaves that he's wearing, so I'll be wearing some cilantro.
Because as you can see, James has leaves on his head.
I really don't like cilantro. It's so.
The things we do for YouTube. How about I flip it around?
Oh yeah,
Right? Put a pillow underneath.
Okay.
Wait.
Here.
So I'm gonna go this way?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure.
No, here.
Okay.
Face that way.
Oh, so it's the other leg for me.
Am I inside your legs?
This. Stay closer.
Am I inside your legs? Tilt down so that you see the cilantro. There we go! We got it! Okay guys, the last one for real is we're gonna be recreating this photo since I'm wearing the dress already, and we're just gonna flare it out. And Fabio doesn't have all the colors, but whatever.
It's just for fun. This.
Once upon a time, not long ago, I was up in that place. And I flared. So it's like a fairy tale film. Okay, ready?
He's walking.
So you
with
just
his leg.
the other leg maybe, or that leg, yeah. Okay, ready? Lights, camera, action. Again. Again!
Let me go more here.
That's fine. Lights, camera, action. Again! One more shot. So let's make sure that we got it. Lights, camera, action. Okay, I think we got it. I look like a monster.
You do. Okay. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to our channel, comment down below, and like this video. and share it with your friends.
We look so stupid now. Okay, thank you guys for watching. And we're gonna go clean up because there's a lot of mess in our house now.
Bye.
Please subscribe because this is not an easy video.
It's not.
Bye.
Bye.